In this video, I'll show you how to watch movies on Amazon Prime. So this one is pretty simple. If you have a Prime membership, this one's going to be even easier because Prime Video is included in Prime. But remember, Prime memberships are not supported in all countries, so you'll only have the Prime Video option. And so we're going to start off straight on Prime Video. So you can just go to primevideo.com or you can Google it like I've done here. And the first thing you'll see is Prime Video members. Just hit sign in. That includes normal Prime members as well. If you don't have Prime, what you want to do is just click on start your 7-day free trial. That way you can test the product out first. And I have already tried out Prime on the 30-day trial. So where mine shows change, yours will just say add your card details. This is not optional. You have to do this in order to use the free trial. They will not charge you though. And then you just want to click on start Prime free trial. And just like that, you now have access to Prime Video. And as you can see on the top here, you have the options of movies and TV shows. You would probably choose movies, or you can just hit search and search for whatever you want. Now it's important to note that not all movies are on Prime Video. So for instance here, you can see that Play Dirty is on Prime Video. We can watch it right now if we want to. So just keep in mind you are limited to what is actually on Prime Video. But all in all, I think it's a pretty good service. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.